Hello and welcome back to POSAdvisors guide series for EncorePOS. My name is Billy and today we'll be looking at the coupons report, a listing of all coupons applied within a described time frame. It includes the invoice number in case you would like to research what items were included in the sale to which the coupon was applied. Starting from the EncorePOS login screen, log on to the EncorePOS dashboard. Click the Reports tab, scroll over Sales, and click on the Coupons report. Under Report Selection, in this drop-down menu, choose the coupon you would like to review or leave all selected to review all coupon types. In the Date Range window, indicate whether you'd like to search backwards in time from the last week, month, 90 days, 6 months, or year. You can also use the Calendar tool to set a custom time frame. When you're ready, click on Submit to run the report. The list of coupons used meeting your criteria will show up in this table here. In this corner of the table, you will see the total sales made with coupons applied, total discounted with coupons, and the net gross margin of coupon sales in both dollars and percentage. As with other tools in EncorePOS, you can use the sort arrows or search bar to find specific entries, or you can use the page options at the bottom of the screen to navigate through a longer list. You can choose to export this list by clicking on this button to copy it to your clipboard, here for an Excel file, here for a PDF, or here to send it directly to a printer. Click the X on the top here to return to the previous screen when you're done here. Click Cancel to return to the Reports tab. That's it for this video today. Be sure to subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest from POSAdvisors. We'll have our website link and our support number in the description under this video, so don't hesitate to call us if you need us. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.